Ma'am, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
I'm sure this is not what you thought you'd be doing today. If you need a glass of water, let us know, but watch your step. You're fine. Come on in.
Okay.
You can use them. You can manipulate the microphone as you best deem necessary.
Okay.
If there's an objection made, just pause before you answer the question. Let me rule on the objection, and then you can go from there.
Okay.
All right. That said, Mr. Skinner, you may inquire. You're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ma'am, will you state your name?
Barbara Johnson,
Where do you live, ma'am?
Jacksonville.
Was there a period of time where you owned a business here in Jacksonville, Florida called the Gun Gallery?
Yes.
What type of business is that?
It is a gun store, and we have 2 indoor ranges
And where is that located specifically?
at 10268 Beach Boulevard.
Out here in Jacksonville, Duval
Yes.
County, Florida.
Yes.
All right. And were you in a partnership or in an ownership group with anyone else?
My husband, yes.
All right. How long did you and your husband own this business?
We actually owned it 30 years.
All right. And what was the last year of your ownership of it?
2022.
All right. Back in December, specifically December 20th, 2018, were you and the husband named owners of the business at that time?
Yes,
Who did the books there, ma'am?
I did.
All right. And as owner and the one who did the books, would you give us a brief description of your duties there, please?
I pretty much did everything. I did ATF compliance. I took in all the daily cash sheets, sign-in sheets, receipts, did accounting. I did pretty much everything.
All right. Were you the records custodian of this business?
Yes,
As part of your duties, was that one of many duties of your own at the gun gallery?
yes,
In the normal course of your business, would you deal with records on a daily basis?
yes,
Would you review those records on a daily basis if asked to?
pretty much, yes,
Pursuant to a subpoena, are you the one that would be assigned to review those records?
yes,
Did you receive a subpoena in this case that required your attendance in court today?
yes,
Prior to coming to court today, did you review a record that is part of your business, the Gun Gallery on Beach Boulevard, that was dated December 20 of 2018?
yes.
And what is it that we're about to look at, ma'am?
You're going to be looking at a sign-in sheet for our range.
And was that only for the date of December 20, 2018?
It's the only one I saw, yes.
All right. Will you give the jury an idea of what types of shooting ranges that you have?
Okay. We have 2 shooting ranges. The front store, we have 2 different buildings. The front store actually has just the pistol range. The back store, which is not connected, but it's a separate building, but that has a pistol range and a rifle range on it.
All right. Is the item that you're about to testify about a sign-in sheet?
Yes.
And for which range, if any?
It's for the pistol rifle range.
All right. The one that's further away.
Yes.
All right. Ma'am, I now show you what's been entered into evidence in Martin State's Exhibit number 39. Do you recognize this, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
What do you recognize it to be?
It is the sign-in sheet for our pistol rifle range.
And what is the date on the top of the form?
10/20/18.
All right. And on the left-hand side are those printed names of folks that have come to your gun range to shoot.
Yes.
And on the right-hand side are those the signatures that correspond with the printed names.
Yes.
Is this a record that you would keep in the ordinary course of your business?
Yes.
I'll direct your attention now to line number 10.
Yes.
Will you please read the printed name of the individual on line number 10?
It's Johnathan J. Quiles.
Is my finger on where he signed this document?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing further.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Just a couple of quick questions.
Sure.
Mr. Skinner showed you the sheet. It's a sign-in sheet and a signature, correct?
Yes.
Can you say that Johnathan J. Quiles is the one that signed this for sure?
No.
Okay. Do you know if Johnathan J. Quiles was the one at your gun range using the gun that day?
No.
You're limited by the fact of just whatever's on the sheet, right?
That's correct.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Very briefly, Your Honor. Ma'am, I think you mentioned 10/20 of 18. Was this December 20 of 18?
It was 12/20/18.
You saw it at the top.
Yes.
Is that December 20?
Yes, it's December.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. Johnson, good to see you, ma'am.
Thank you.